Hey folks, welcome to Bobcat Turf Talks. I'm Ron Scheffler, Senior Product Manager for Bobcat Mowers. Today we're going to be talking about protecting you and your mower. First of all, make sure you're wearing appropriate personal protection equipment during the operation of your mower. That includes eye and ear protection as well as other equipment. The ROPS, a rollover protection structure, is there for your safety. When you're on the mower and you have your seatbelt on, the ROPS should be all the way up and latched. And if you're mowing under low tree branches or in need of having the ROPS rotated down, then your seatbelt should be off. Now let's talk about what you can do for your mower. First of all, make sure your mower is clean. Clean it with an air hose. Clippings build up and other debris can affect the operation of your mower, and a deck that has grass build up underneath the cutting chamber can affect the quality of cut. Check your owner's manual for your regular service intervals. The owner's manual and engine owner's manual will state when to change the oil in your engine and transmission, change the engine fuel filter, and clean or replace the engine air filter. If you have any questions when it comes to the service of your mower, contact your local Bobcat dealer for assistance. For more information on Bobcat mowers, check out bobcat.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time.